You're gonna have to edit it. You know that, right?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright. So, Chloe,
Yes.
what do you want to do with your hair today?
I think I'd like to take it a little bit lighter, maybe some highlights, maybe some low lights mixed in there too, but I really just like a little bit lighter color.
Okay, well, what do you like about your hair right now?
I like that it's a little bit red. It has a little bit of red tones, and it's I don't really know. I just like it. I like the color right now, but just a little bit lighter.
Okay, well, what do you not like about your hair right now?
I don't like that it's damaged at the ends, so I don't know. I wish it was a little less brown, a little more blonde.
Okay. Now, what have you done to your hair in the past, I don't know, months, weeks, recently? What are things that you've done to your hair? Chemicals, heating, processing, anything?
I have dyed it darker multiple times. I dyed it brown twice and dyed it black about a year and a half ago. So it might be harder to dye.
Okay, that's fine. Now, if you could look at your hair, where would you say is the most recent color to it? Like, do you have any new growth in your hair, or is it all color? When was the last time that you had color done?
The last time I had color done was probably a week ago.
Okay.
And I just took it a darker brown than it was.
Okay.
But my hair is naturally a lighter brown.
All right. Do you have any kind of allergies or anything to products? Have you experienced any irritation in any kind of products that you've used prior to today?
No irritation, no allergies. I think I'm good with pretty much everything.
Okay. Are you on any medication?
No medication.
Okay. Well, what I think we should do, now you said you want to go a little bit more red, less brown, but you like the blonde.
Yeah.
So I think what we should probably do is we should probably add some golden colors, as well as some red tints. Maybe if you want to do maybe like a halo with a kiss of color, of maybe like a blonde, golden blonde, and maybe go into color overall and add some red in there, maybe.
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right.
That's great.
And maybe for the ends, if you want, I think we could do a little basic trim, nothing too drastic, because I see you've got long hair. Maybe adding some more layers in it just to frame your face and make it pop a little bit.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
All right, sounds good.
Great.
Well, let's get started.
Okay, you can turn it on. Okay.